Today I'm going to be planning to find the light bar holes that were originally fitted for when it was in the NYPD. So to do this we're going to have to drop the headlining down, which means we've got to remove a load of stuff around that. So without any further delay, let's crack on. So as you can see, I've already made a start on this side, and so far I've had to take down the sun visor, so we'll have to do the same on that side, along with the pillar. Coming along, I've had to remove all of the trim panel here, the little hook that's up here, and then finally to the back where this piece of plastic would drop down. So what we've got to do, hopefully the same on this side, and it'll be ready to come out. So first things first, let's take that sun visor out and see how we get on. The sun visor has 3 screws holding it in, which are these ones here. So we'll quickly whip them out, and then we've just got one on the other side, so we'll make a start on that one first. I would just like to say at this point that it was only me on my own trying to hold the camera and undo the screws, so apologies, it is a little bit shaky. With all the plastic trim removed, it was now time to drop down the door rubbers and see if there was anything else holding the headlining up, or whether it was just the fact that it needed a bit of a tug to bring it down. That sounds very healthy, doesn't it? Again, I just feel like I need to apologise here because I was still only a one-man band and I was trying to hold the camera and have a look to see what needed to be done. As you can see, that hole is full of filler, so I had to use a spike and a hammer, and voila, out it comes. So the headline did fall down in the end, which gave me an opportunity to be able to actually look inside the pillar. And there is the first hole. As you can see, it was covered in filler. So once again, with a spike and a hammer, I started tapping through. Worryingly, that does seem to be a large crack starting to form in the roof. So with the spike all the way through, it's now about trying to widen out the hole and just to see how big they were and what I was actually working with. Worryingly, that's an awful lot of filler coming out, and it gets worse. Wait to the end of the video and I'll show you just how much filler is there. The more I tapped away, or the more I picked, the more and more filler that just kept coming out. moving over to the driver's side and let's start again. While there still was plenty of filler, it certainly doesn't look to be as much as what was on the passenger side, which is a bit of a blessing. More worryingly, there seems to be a lot of filler that is not around the holes, or it is around the holes but also all over the roof line. So the roof is all back together. I've got extremely sunburnt today. A little bit worried about the amount of filler that seems to be in the roof, certainly around where the holes are, but you know, we'll get the body shop to sort that out when it goes in. Anyway, thanks as always for watching. If you are enjoying this channel, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to everybody that has. We are slowly hitting my next goal of 1,000 subscribers. I'll catch you in the next video.